Hey guys, this is Dan from Channel Things, and today I'm gonna show you how easy it is to fix a rice cooker not turning on anymore. The first thing you wanna do is to unplug the power cord. This is really important since dealing with mains voltage can be very dangerous. You should also do this only if you're an experienced and qualified person. After removing the bottom part of your rice cooker, the first thing is to check if the thermal fuse still provides continuity. This fuse cuts off all mains voltage in case of a malfunctioning of your rice cooker, if the temperature threshold is exceeded, to prevent further serious consequences. Over time, these fuses can age and break at some time. This problem represents the most common use case for a rice cooker not turning on. The fuse is mounted at a specific reference location which matches the temperature layout of the fuse. The multimeter shows no continuity of the fuse, which indicates that the fuse has blown. Then I cut the connected wires to replace it. If you are wondering about the fancy pliers I use, this is a high quality crimping pliers which does an amazing job also in cutting and skinning wires. If you want to have a closer look, I'll provide a link in the video description. Of course, you can also use a normal pliers to crimp the wire and sleeves. It's very important that the specs of your new fuse match the ones of the old one. In my case, the fuse provides a threshold temperature of 142 degrees Celsius and 250 volts at 10 amps. eBay should be a great source to find your fuse. I am using a wire end sleeve to connect the new fuse to the old wires. Since the thermal protection hose is pretty tight, I use another wire to make it a lot easier to pull the wired fuse back through the protection hose. At this stage, it's very important to put the fuse back to its proper location so it can serve as originally meant. Now checking if our repair was successful. And success! I hope I could provide some useful information in this video. Check all links in the description for more details. I have got a lot of types of other project videos in which you might be interested in. Check those out and don't forget to subscribe and like. That's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.